In this video, I want to show you how to set up your HP LaserJet Pro 4001N with your PC computer. Now, this printer doesn't have Wi-Fi built in. You can connect to your PC two different ways. The way number one is to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi router. By connecting it with a cable in the back, this printer will have access to your internet, to your Wi-Fi, and then you'll be able to connect your PC. Or you can use one of these, which is a USB cable. Okay, this is a printer a USB cable where you connect directly your PC to the printer, and this is how I will show you how it works. So the first thing, let's turn around the printer. You're going to take this end of the cable, you're going to go on the top right corner, and you're going to see this is where you connect your Ethernet cable if you want to connect it to a router, and on the top it's for the USB. So align the cable, make sure you push the cable all the way in, and now it's time to connect the other end of this cable to your PC. So this cable ends up in a USB connection, and I will simply plug it over here. And on the PC, as you see, by default, I didn't have to install any drivers, and I see this HP LaserJet Pro 4001. Select to choose what happened with this device. Let's say you don't even see this message, it's not important. You can directly open any files you wish to print. If you're on Windows 11, Windows 10, you won't need to download any drivers. So let me open this PDF file, and I will click on the print icon right over here. And here under printer on the left side, click, and you should see your HP LaserJet Pro 4001 appearing. Give it a few seconds, and now you can press the print button. It should print right away. Right now the printer is sleeping, but it will receive the data to print using the USB, and it will start printing. Here we go. And here are the results. Now if you want this printer to be shared on your Wi-Fi network, the one that your PC is currently connected to, so that other users, or maybe if you want to print with a phone and you want to be able to print with your phone using Wi-Fi, well, you need to enable sharing on the computer that you have connected the printer. This way other devices will be able to see the printer. And to do this on Windows, you're going to go on the Windows logo down below. Then you're going to go into the settings. On the left side, click on Bluetooth and devices. And then over here, you're going to select printers and scanners. One of the options should be the HP LaserJet Pro 4001. Click on the small arrow. And now all we have to do is to select Printer Properties. Click, and then you see on the top here there is one of these tabs that should be Sharing. Click on Sharing and change Sharing Options. Now you will be able to click and check Share this printer. And here will be the share name. I suggest you leave it like this. It's simply the model's name. And at the end, don't forget to click Apply. Okay, perfect. So this is about it. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you need some ink toner for this printer. I will put some links in the description towards Amazon so you can purchase one and you support my channel at the same time. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.